Hi guys, how's it going? So we're gonna do, I've never done this before in all my closet audits. I'm gonna do the Marie Kondo method this time, but modified to fit what actually a wardrobe stylist view of it. So we're not gonna be like, oh, it doesn't spark joy. It goes a little further. There's more that you need to ask yourself before you get rid of things, because there's lots of basics you need in your wardrobe that probably aren't gonna spark joy, but they're like wardrobe essentials. So there's a good chance that every pair of jeans you own doesn't spark joy, but there might be a reason for them to be in your wardrobe. So anyway, we're gonna start. I'm gonna grab all these clothes out of my friend's closet right now. And we are going to go through them piece by piece and then only put back the pieces that she loves and wears, okay? All right. Okay, so we are starting to pile everything on the bed.
You could have let me know to put makeup on.
Well, you can if you want. You're not on camera yet. Do you want to put makeup on? Should she put makeup on?
I don't want to be.
Well, you are, but you're not in focus. Do you want to put makeup on? Okay, I'm gonna pause this so that she can put on makeup. Camera. So this mysterious client, who's gonna remain anonymous, did some pre-editing, and this client also has a background in fashion, so she probably knows more than the average Joe. All right, so we have a whole bunch of stuff laid out. I didn't bring the whole closet out because it's too much, but we're gonna start going through these pieces. Okay, so basically what I say to everyone is, tell me about this piece. Are you wearing this? Do you love this? Would you
I
rebuy
wore
it?
it last summer, and I think I will wear it.
Okay, and it's good for jewelry.
That's why I like
She's a Stella and Dot rep, so it's very important that everything works with jewelry. But she's incognito. Okay, so this one works.
Yeah, this is this winter.
Yeah.
Yes.
So why don't we make a winter pile and not put that stuff back in your closet?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's another thing. If you can, at all possible, I would get rid of some of your winter stuff or your summer stuff when it's not that season, and that way everything in your closet is things you can wear currently in that season, and it will feel like you have more, and it will be less overwhelming. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I love that. Who collects vintage shoes? So this is our after pile, and she thought she had done. Yeah, that's no, that's the ones we're getting rid of. The other stuff's winter. So this is, and she thought she had already done a good job before I got here. So let's look at the closet. So this is the closet now. That's the shirts. This is our dresses and our pants and her bras, and then shoes.
Before.
Yeah, no, I didn't have it before, but trust me, it looks really nice now. You can see everything she has.